This is the Mac that my dad will be using in this video. I hope you enjoy.
Hi, Andrew.
Alright, so this is your first video?
Correct.
Alright, so you're gonna try out OS 10.5 Leopard on an Intel iMac from 2006. Alright?
I'm excited to do that.
Okay, so can you go ahead and hit the power button? It's in the back of the computer on the left. Nope, on the bottom. Towards the corner. You can't even find the power button, can you? You hit it.
It's turning on.
Do you like the startup sound?
Very zen-like.
Zen-like. Do you like how they put the Apple logo right there?
Twins.
Yeah, twins. They did that on purpose. Then it's the blue screen of starting up. Not the blue screen of death,
Okay.
but the blue screen of starting up.
BSAS as opposed to BSAD.
You can look at it like that. Now, just so you know, the Mac mouse only has one button. So you can right click, but it's kind of harder than Windows. So, first of all, what time is it?
6:51 p.m. right up there in the upper right-hand corner.
Yeah, because that's from another great YouTube channel that I like called OS First Timer. That's always the first task. So 6:51. Alright, so now if you wanted to do a Google search, how would you do that?
How would I do a Google search? Well, I'd probably want to go down and find maybe Safari, which is there.
How do you know that Safari is for the web browser for the Mac?
Because I've seen that on my iPhone.
Ah.
Right.
You don't have to double click. So, do you see anywhere to do a Google search because you don't want to be on Apple's website?
So what I would
Do you like how it gives you a Google search bar and Apple's website instead of just a Google search bar and then like another Google search bar?
I could come over to the Google search bar, or I could probably go to Google.com, but I'll try over here. So I'm going to do a search on ESPN because I like sports. Is that okay?
Okay, yeah.
All right.
Now, what do you think you do to search? You can also press return to search, which is on the keyboard.
Okay.
It also functions as the enter key.
Okay.
Now, how do you quit Safari? Not close that window, but quit Safari. And there's the Safari menu up at the top.
I'm going to do quit Safari.
Yeah.
Seemed like a good place to go. Yeah. Quit at Safari.
Alright, now let's say you want to look at the files on your computer. How would you do that?
Files on my computer. That's a great question. Let's see here.
Oh, it looks like you have a friend. Right in there. Finder.
Finder. I do have a
That's your friend.
It looks like I got a little dashboard
Kind of a dumb name for a friend, but it's fine.
Okay, so I'm going to guess the next one over with a stamp is probably your mail.
Mail. That's my
Directions,
email,
Safari,
so don't read that.
Chat.
iChat.
Address book.
That's
Calendar,
like contacts.
Preview. Spaces. iTunes. Time machine. System preferences. Documents. Downloads. Trash.
So I think the trash is empty.
So I would probably go under documents if I wanted to look for something. That's a guess.
Well, that's a stack. You can open that. Oh, that's your stack. So what have you got on your stack?
Open in Finder, About Stacks, iCharts, and Test.
Okay, so you want to close that because that's not all your files, is it? That's not your main root of your hard disk.
Doesn't appear that. So I'm going to right-click and see what I get. I've never right-clicked.
Oh, Mac mice only have one button. There's a way to right-click. Do you want to right-click on the Mac? You can't right-click on a Mac. You have to hold down the control key and then click. That's like right-clicking. There you go. Now what do you want to make?
Well, more.
Yeah. Now what? Now what?
I'm going to maybe come over to... No, I don't want to do the automator, I don't think.
No, you don't.
So, range back, clean, change, get out for a new folder, burn. So,
You don't want to do that. You want to just look at your files.
I just want to look at my files. So, let's see here. I'm going to maybe go up...
I think you have a friend that can help you out. That's Bluetooth. You have a friend. See what can help you with.
Oh, the Finder.
The Finder is to find files.
I see, and then you got all your files up top here.
Yeah.
These look like my folders.
See, on the left is the sidebar, and you can click a bunch of different things.
Okay.
Now, on a newer Mac OS,
Uh-huh.
there's actually one called All My Files,
Yes.
but on this old one, there isn't.
Okay.
So,
Cool.
there's a thing called Macintosh HD. So if you click that, that's on Places up top.
Uh-huh. You want
So
me to
click
do that
that.
now?
That's the root of the hard disk. Yeah. Click that.
I'm sorry, repeat that for me, please.
Macintosh HD.
Okay. Applications, library, systems, users. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now, so one of the things, so desktop.
Now, see up top,
Uh-huh.
there's a couple of different views.
Yes.
See, they're all up top there. There's a couple different views. Oh, that's a terrible view.
Sorry about those pops.
That one is, so first click on a folder with something in it, like Macintosh HD.
Uh-huh.
First you want to close that thing that you put up there. That just gives you information. So now, oh yeah, what I'm showing on the screen right now and have been for a while, that's the dock. That's a very useful feature in OS X. So, those icons, so if you use the go menu to go up one level, it's on the top bar. Find it. No, you didn't want to do that. Click the plus button again. You want to go up one level in closing folder. So try out the different views. Try out all 4 different views and tell me which one is your favorite. That one gives a lot of information. That one shows it like that. That one is new to 10.5. You like the first one?
I like this one best.
You like that one because it gives a lot of information?
Yes.
But you didn't try out the last one. Click on the last one.
Not much there.
Now, use the scroll bar and scroll over. No, it's a scroll bar, so use it like a scroll bar. Is that cool? That's called cover flow view. Do you like that?
It's kind of cool. I'm not used to that. That's a little different.
Would you like that feature in Windows? See if you scroll over like to Safari, scroll to Safari, or System Preferences. System Preferences is the gear. You missed it. You missed both. Safari. Now click Safari. It launches Safari.
Yeah.
Do you like that feature? How it does that thing. Now, to quit an application, there's another way to do it. So you can press Command, which has the Apple symbol and the other symbol on it, the Command symbol.
Yeah.
Not the Apple menu, but the Safari menu.
Okay.
Oh, you're in Finder right now. So it didn't switch to Safari. A later version automatically switches, but this one is older.
Okay.
So, if you click on the Safari window, now you can hold down. You're already in Safari.
Mm-hmm.
If you hold down an Apple key on the keyboard, that one doesn't work. The keyboard's broken. That one, and while you hold that, you hit Q. You quit Safari. Now, the Finder can't be quit because that'd be like shutting down.
Mm-hmm.
So you can press Command W, which is the Command key, which is right next to the space bar. Same key as the Apple key. And then W. That'll close that window.
Okay.
So, do you like that?
I do. No, I'd like to.
Now, you know how sometimes you minimize Windows? Oh, you're starting iTunes? It's an old version of iTunes, and I don't recommend it. Just close it. Quit the application. Can you quit it yourself?
Oh, looks cool.
Just quit. So now, if you open up Safari or anything you see, not iChat, not mail, but anything you see. Dad, what's happening? It's getting so dark. Oh no, what's happening? Dad, do something, It's getting brighter. Good. Oh no, it's getting too bright. You made it too bright. Ah! No! Get it back to the way it was. Oh, that's better. Oh yeah, you can change that. So you see the edit button? Do you see the edit button? It's towards the bottom of the screen.
Yes.
Okay, I'm sorry. I had to cough. Edit. You can edit it and then hit done when you're done. Or unclick the edit button. You see the edit button? Uncheck that. There. Now, if you wanted to minimize a window, which I'm pretty sure you do a lot in Windows, minimize that. Can you minimize it? Where did it go? Right there?
Yes.
On the right side of the dock.
Yes.
Do you see anything separating your stacks and your minimized windows from the last icon that's pinned to the dock, which means it stays there all the time?
No.
Do you see like a little ladder-like thing in between the gears and the thing that says RTF?
This?
In between system preferences.
Yeah.
You just changed the dock size.
Okay.
You're changing the dock size. Please don't do that. You made it huge. Go to system dock preferences. Dock. You're doing something complicated. Size. Find something that might say that's the default size. I don't know. I'll worry about that later.
Sorry.
So you want to quit system preferences. So click on system preferences. Click right there. Click in a blank space, but still in system preferences. Now quit that because you don't want that anymore. Quit the app. Quit. Not close, but quit the app. System preferences is no longer running. Okay, you quit it. Good job.
Thank you.
Now, do you see the little blue lights? You have some things that are running. See, Finder's always running.
Okay.
But there's another application that's running. Can you tell me what it is?
Your address book, of course.
Yeah. So can you close that now? Because you don't need that. Quit the app. See, it's minimized. Oh, you should have brought it back from minimized. I want you to do that, so, oh, you closed it. It's still running. Address book is still running. There's 0 windows open, but it's still running. Is that a nice feature? So it doesn't take a long time to start up again?
Yes.
Now can you quit the address book? Remember the quit feature? Command Q.
Oh.
Not Control Q, but Command Q.
Okay.
Control is only for right clicking. Just
So if
saying.
I wanted to get close Finder, could I do that now? Control.
No, you can't quit the Finder.
Never?
To do that, you have to
Okay.
shut down the computer.
Alright.
So you can close the window. Command W.
Okay.
Why are you looking through my folders? Close that.
Look and see
Command-
what's out there.
No, don't look through my files.
Okay.
Don't look through my files. Command W will close the window.
What's in your files?
A bunch of stuff. Alright, now, can you shut down the computer without using the power button? That won't do it. The Mac is still on. That's your Wi-Fi. That's Bluetooth. Look about to the left of the... Yeah, that's the Apple menu. Is that a good menu?
Yeah, so
It's like the start menu.
Alright. So Andrew,
Shut down.
shut down. Want me to do that now?
Right. Click it.
And that's our
It wants to verify because you might have accidental. Someone might have come by
Alright.
your computer and might have done
thank
that.
you for showing me that. That was a great tutorial.
Yep.
Alright, good job.
All right.
The end. Awesome.
You did good.
Thanks.
I want to remind you that Macs are PCs too. Thank you for watching my video. Please do not post any mean comments for this video.